Yeah. Yeah.
Can you say it?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to learn about the role of AI in our daily lives. Okay, so again, what AI means? Artificial intelligence. Do you remember the definition which I taught you yesterday? What is the definition of artificial intelligence?
Mm.
Can you tell me?
Um, like it means like um
Yeah, tell me. Anything you remember the definition? What artificial intelligence mean? Artificial intelligence means the capacity to learn and solve problems through machine, or you can say to copy a human mind. Okay, what does artificial intelligence means?
to copy a human mind.
Exactly. So whatever thing a human mind can do, like to think, to learn, to solve any problem, to do mathematics, or to talk to a person, okay, or to read out any text, or to watch a video, and to give summaries of those videos. So these are some of the tasks which human beings do in our daily day-to-day life. So when we do the same things through a machine, we call it an artificial intelligence. So this is some of the tools which I showed you, like Google. Like in Google, whatever thing we give, we search, we get it. So how does Google knows everything? So Google basically has all the data of the people, the day-to-day life, whatever social media access we have, whatever informations we give, whatever like if there is any restaurants are there, so whatever datas we give to the internet, so Google has its database. Google stores those information, and then whenever we search something, it gives the result. Similarly, in YouTube, whatever videos we give, whatever queries we do, same videos, audios, or songs we get. Netflix, we get movies, web series, cartoons, everything. These are some chatbots, like where we can chat, we can talk to the AI and get our answers. These are some voice assistants, like whenever we say, have you used Alexa or Siri anything in your home? Like
Alex.
whenever you have, yes. So whatever you can talk to Alexa, it is a voice assistant. It will assist you through her voice. Okay, it will give you, like if you say Alexa, please play this song. So Alexa have access to your cell phone and it will play the song. Similarly, Siri is also the same thing. So these are some of the tools which we use in our day-to-day life to get our job done. Okay. So talking to AI. So some of the examples like how we can talk to AI or how we can get help of an AI through voice. So some of the examples are Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistants. So can you tell me what exactly Alexa or Siri or Google Assistants does? Anything?
Alexa is like it, whatever you say to do, it's like connected to your phone. And like
Yes. And
Siri is like mostly like Siri's in your phone, so whatever you say for it to do, like it'll go to whatever you say.
yeah, whatever thing we say, like Siri or Alexa, like suppose we want to know what is the weather of today. So if we just give the voice, yes, Siri, please tell me, or Alexa, please tell me what is the weather forecast of today, or what is the weather today. So it will give a response. Today's weather is this much degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. Okay, in that way, it will assist us. Similarly, the Google Assistant is similarly in Google. So these three are voice assistants. These are examples of AI which will understand the voice of a human and then respond to a human in voice only, but it will do the task whichever asked by the human being. Okay. So next is smart looking shows. Like, have you ever used Netflix or Amazon Prime or something or YouTube to watch any video?
Yeah.
So what do you watch? Like, what kind of things you watch in YouTube or Netflix or any other?
I watch. Um, I watch many things.
So have you got any recommendations? Suppose you're watching something and in then the downstairs you'll have like, okay, you can watch this also, you can watch this also. Would you like watching this? All the recommendation, have you seen it?
Yeah.
Right. So how does this happen? Like exactly what you are thinking to watch and then the recommendations you're getting it. So this is through an AI. Like if you watch a show of any cartoon you are watching, you have similar suggestions of cartoons. Whenever you go scroll down, you'll have similar kind of suggestions. So this is how AI works. If in Netflix you watch some kind of like a thriller movie, okay, so you'll have lots of recommendations of similar kind of genre like thriller movies. If you watch some comedy shows, you'll have lots of comedy recommendations in your in the below the bar where you will see, okay. So this is how AI gives you recommendation. It suggests you just like a friend. Suppose you watch a cartoon and you discuss with your friend. So your friend will say, "Okay, I have watched this. Have you watched this cartoon? This is very exciting. Like if you watch Cinderella, have you watched Alice in Wonderland?" Like so similar kind of suggestions, just like your friend does. So AI also helps you doing the same kind of things. Okay.
Um,
So helpful phones. So have you ever typed something to your friend and then your words or keywords are auto corrected?
yeah.
Have you ever watched? Yes, whenever you have some spelling mistake or something in while typing, it gets auto corrected. So how it's get auto corrected, you have any idea?
Um, no.
So AI has all the words, okay? So whenever you'll type something, AI is like your teacher. Like, no, it's not the correct spelling. You have to change this. It will suggest you the correct spelling. Okay. It's like a teacher assistant. Okay. So it will assist you like in teacher, like you write like this. No, this is a mistake. So if you're writing something, it will recommend you. You can use these words. You can change your paraphrase it. You can change your words. You can change your sentences like this. So these are some of the examples I'll show you after the presentation ends, like how AI helps us in writing, in assisting ourselves, in navigating. Okay. So the next one, have you used Google Maps or Uber while going somewhere or getting anything like, I don't know the location. So you type in the Google Maps and you just go follow the path and you get the place. Have you ever used it?
No, my dad does.
Yes, your dad does, right? So whenever he doesn't have the exact location or where I should go, so we have Google Maps. So we just type in like, okay, I want to go to this place, and then just AI, gives you the location, and you exactly go through. So have you wondered like how? I mean, a person doesn't know where to go, but AI can help us. Like it can assist us. What are the things AI might have like which we don't know, but then it can assist. We can go to that place. Have you ever wondered?
No.
No. Anything. Like think once again how Google does or
Like
Google Maps does, how it can have locations.
maybe like you type and then it just comes. Uh, I don't know.
Do you know any? You have any idea about satellites?
Um, yeah, but I don't really know what it is.
So satellites are basically like ships, okay? Like to be understand in a very layman language, they are like ships which go outside the earth and they keep on revolving around the earth and take images, okay? They take consistent images of various places. Like they will zoom in the earth and then they will take some images to whatever locations are there, and then they'll have lots of pictures and guidance, okay? Then they will send those pictures to the Google, the people who are there in the Google, the systems or the AI basically. So then it will just map around, okay, this is Dubai, this is the location of Burj Khalifa, this is the location of Sia's home, this is the restaurant which is near to Sia, and all these locations. Whenever you'll have your phone, you switch on the locations, right? So Google has all your access, like it knows where your live locations are. So if you're moving through your car, the Google is know that, okay, Sia is now like outside her room, and then she is going to a restaurant or she is going to the school. So it will track all your locations, and then whenever you'll say ki, okay, I want the location to Burj Khalifa, so it will go to the access, it will take the images, it will take exact locations and details, and then it will guide you, okay, you have to go right and then left then right. Then if there is it will give you shortcuts, okay, this area is, they have too much traffic, too much, it will take too much time, so you go in this route, it will be faster. So in that way the AI helps us. So these are some of the things. When you'll grow up, we'll be continuing the classes, you will actually be working how to work in Google, or how to track locations, or how to get data from satellites, or get data from the weather reports, and actually build your own product. Like you will be the one who will be providing services to people, okay, so it is my Sia's own app, and then you can log in, you can give your own address, and then Sia map will help you to get your location, okay? So these are some of the examples. Okay, do you have any idea about smart homes?
No.
Like, have you used a Siri to switch on the lights, or adjust the room temperature, or
Mm.
switch off the cameras of the phone, or have the alert, something like that? So there are some homes which are smart homes. Why we call smart homes? The smart homes as a meaning, like smart homes means these are all AI driven. Okay. So everything is connected to the phone or the devices. So if the user will say, okay, switch on the light, or whenever it will open the door, the lights will automatically get switched on. It will sense the temperature of the human body, like sensors are there. So sensors are some sensors are like objects which will be placed in those, what to tell you, suppose there is lights, or there is fan, or there is AC. So it will have sensors within, so sensors will actually detect if there is a human being in the room or not. So based on that, it will automatically switch on the light or switch off if there is no one is there in the room. And then if if the temperature outside is, certainly it was too hot, and then rain falls down, the temperature goes down, so the sensor in the AC will automatically cool down, I mean it automatically switched off, or the temperature will be adjusted accordingly. So these are some of the tools which we will in future, or whenever you'll grow up in this domain, so you will be actually able to work with these kind of features, will able to actually build this kind of stuffs, okay? So in healthcare also, like nowadays when you will go to doctors, so we'll have x-rays done, okay, x-rays or some brain scans. So they will the scan your images through AI robots, and then help doctors to predict whether a person has some problems in the body or not. So have you ever watched smartphones, or I mean smart watches? Do your father or your mother or you ever wore smartwatch?
No.
Sia? Okay, have you ever saw how a smartwatch does, or what is the function of a smartwatch?
No.
Okay, so smartwatch just have you ever seen the normal watches which people wear?
Yeah. No, it's not smartwatch. I got the smartwatch. Um, I mean, I've seen one.
Yeah, I think your dad has one smartwatch, and he's saying so. After the class end, now just go and look at the features. So basically, in normal watch, what does normal watches do? Like, what? How does a normal watch help you?
Um, like you can check the time.
Yes,
You can see the weather,
yes,
and and you can see your steps.
yes.
Um, um, yeah.
So in normal watch, what is there? Like, what is different in normal watch and a smartwatch? Like, what does a normal watch does? Like, how it helps you? A normal watch. It is not smartwatch. So, can you tell me basic? What are the differences in a smartwatch and a normal watch?
The A normal watch without a screen.
Hmm.
The normal watch doesn't have a screen. You can just check the time.
Yes, basically, it will tell you the time, right?
Mhm.
So, what does smartwatch offers you? How it's different than a normal watch?
Like you can call.
Yes.
Um, yeah.
You can track how many steps you walked. Okay, right? It will also tell you how many hours you slept, how many times you have burnt your calories, like if you have walked or you have run. So it will tell you if how is your heart rate, is it faster or is it slower. So basically it will try to make your life easy. It will keep on tracking your health system. So how what are the meetings, how many meetings are there in your daily life. It will help you giving reminder, okay, you have meeting at this time, attend that. Okay, so it will, it will, even if you don't have the cell phone closer to you, you can receive call over your smartphone, so a smartwatch. Okay, so it will track your sleep schedule, like how many hours have you watched, I mean how many hours you slept, what exactly time you should wake up, so what is the time you can meditate. So these are some of the tasks of a simple watch when it becomes a smart, when it uses AI in it. So a simple watch which was used to just see the time now can help in your daily life. It can be like a doctor or a nurse monitoring you every day, like what is the heart rate, how many steps should you walk every day, how many calories you have burned. Okay, whether your heart rate is fine or not. So if there is any like calls, you can already get in your smartphone, receive it, talk to it person, or then cut it off. So in that way, a simple watch when applied with AI can be a smartwatch and makes our life easy.
Mm.
Understood, Sia? Sia, did you got it?
Um,
Okay. So similarly, see, smart games. So yesterday we saw in the video, right? Like it can play chess, it can play, a lot of other games. So true, I mean AI, it can be more. Even we have seen that right now, like even human beings. I mean, it's some AI are better in, playing chess than a human. Like the one who is a grandmaster, even he gets defeated by a AI tool. So every day the AI bots or the robots are becoming smarter. So through AI we can play various games. So have you used Instagram or Snapchat filters?
No.
Any social media you ever, watched from your father's phone or your mother's phone? So any kind of, funny images which AI makes, have you ever encountered?
Mm, um, oh yeah. Like when I do video calls, there's filters.
Yes, very good. So whenever we do a normal call, like through WhatsApp or through Instagram, so they have filters. Like some funny filters are also there. Like it will make you laugh. So these are some of the funny filters which AI uses, and it makes our life easy. Like children, you guys love to see those animals, some superheroic animals. Some animals are there, and then your face has been covered or masked by some filters. So this is what some of the AI tools which we use. So why AI is amazing? You have any idea, like how, now you tell me, like how AI and why we should use AI in our daily life? So any answers?
Saves our time.
Like how does AI saves our time?
Like it answers in like 1 or 2 seconds.
Like any example, like where you have asked any question on it, give saves your time or gives you answer, any tool or anything?
Like
You told me yesterday you used some tool and it helps you doing your homeworks.
no, not my homework. Like we play a game. Oh, Chat GPT.
Yes, see, I remember. So, what does ChatGPT and how ChatGPT helps you?
I mean, like when we play the game, it tells our answer really fast so we can yeah. It tells us
Ex-
our answer very fast.
Exactly. Another example,
Mm,
just now I told you, if you go out, then what you use, if you don't know the location.
Google Maps.
Yes. So if you go out, you don't know the place. If there is no Google Map, then it will take a lot of time to reach where you want to be, right? So Google Map actually saves your time. So have you, used any online delivery services, like you order food online and it comes directly to your home, or any groceries?
Yeah. I mean, my dad does.
Yes. So simply like through AI, your dad, places orders and then it directly reaches your home. So that way AI saves your time, right? So can you tell me what are things, like how can we learn through AI? Like in the last bullet point, it's written like AI helps us to learn. So what are the tools that helped you in your daily life through AI and it makes learning faster?
I don't know.
Think. If you have any doubt, okay, and your parents are not in front of you, or even you are not in your school, so how do you learn that? What are the tools you use?
I don't use any.
Have you not ever watched any YouTube video, like anything, if you don't understand something and you search in YouTube, okay, I don't know this, solve this problem for me, or solve this maths, or how, what is some of the, like some story or anything you want to learn, and then you just, write in, type in down Google or in YouTube, and you get those
Sometimes
answers.
type in Google, but I never need answers.
You never?
Like I never done that.
Okay, then try this. Okay, like after the class, like if you have any question, suppose you want to watch an artificial intelligence video. Okay, so you just type in YouTube, like show me simple artificial intelligence video, or how robots work in medical science. So you just type in Google, and they will show you lots of videos, and then you watch those videos and learn from them. Understand? So yesterday I showed you one app, right, where you type in a story and then it keeps reading to you. Remember a Cinderella story which I showed you yesterday?
Yeah.
So if you type in some of the text of your, textbook, and then you type in the app, and then it will read for you. Okay. So in that way, there are some of the things which you can use in a daily life through AI, and it will make your task do faster. Okay. This is the fun games, like you already know, fun filters, games, videos we use in AI. So it keeps our house safe, like health checks, like the health checks, the smartwatch, it keeps on tracking your health, like how many steps you have walked, how many, what is the heart rate, what is the sleep schedule. So through AI you can keep on monitoring your health. And home security, do you remember what is the example of home security, which I showed you in the previous slide?
Like um it like like the one that like is home security like what does in your like house?
Yes.
So cleans your house?
What? Cleans house? How security? Like how AI helps in home security? Any idea?
Um,
Anything, like sensors? There is sensors in devices. It will send something. Remember?
mm,
So what happens, like, so home security is a part of what I told you, smart homes. Okay, in smart homes what happens is, like, people, there are some devices which will have some sensors. Okay, it will sense if there is, some unknown robbers or burglars are there or not. Okay, some thefts are there. So it will have sensors placed in various, devices. So whenever there is no people in the room, or people who are sleeping, so they'll switch on those devices. And if some burglar or theft comes in, it will send signal to the, owner, and it will generate an alarm. Okay, in that way AI helps us, you know in home security. Okay, understood? See, yeah?
What?
Did you understand what I told you now? How AI helps in home security?
Mm, by
Can you tell me?
smart homes.
Hmm.
Um, like AI have like
Yes, tell me.
um by cameras.
Yes, some cameras will be there. Okay, some devices with sensors will be there. It will sense, the thieves are there. If a thief is coming into the room, so and then the AI will send signals to the owner of the house. Okay,
Yeah.
can you repeat what I told? What do you understand?
So
How
like
AI helps in security?
like security cameras can see people, and if like a thief comes or someone, it alerts.
Like in homes we have security cameras right outside our room. So what it does, it will give signal to the people who is not, I mean, who is the owner of the house, and then alert them yes, there is some unwanted people who are trying to come inside your house, the thieves are there. So it will generate some alarm. Okay, it will have sensors which will sense, okay, yes, these people, these are not, these are not the owner or the guest of the house. So it will just give pictures to the owner of the house, okay, this is some unwanted people. Or there are some voice assistants are also there which is placed outside the rooms or the securities. So they'll automatically keep on ask, who are you, whom do you want to meet. So in that way, the if there is someone who is not a guest or not a good person and who wants to steal your household stuffs, so they will get detected, okay, through AI. So that's all. So what do you understand, what how AI helps in our day-to-day life?
Like about what we learned right now.
Hmm.
Um, by home security or by
Yes, home security.
so it security cameras can see people
Yes.
and it alerts if someone's trying to steal something.
Yes.
Mm, and something else about like AI when you typing something,
Hmm.
I corrects your words.
Yes, very good, very good. I more
Yeah.
three more answers, okay? Two you have given, okay, and three more I need. How AI helps us.
Like it it normally copies a human mind.
Hmm. Like how? Example, 3 points. Two you have given. One is, security cameras, home security, smart homes help. The other one is, helps in autocorrection. Three more.
You can check the time. Or wait, one second. A smartwatch? Is it
Very
that?
good. Yes, very good, very good. Two more.
Uh, mm, like,
Think,
mm,
think, think. You use it every day. Your dad uses some stuffs.
from Google Maps.
Very good.
And when he wants to buy something, he uses any app to order.
Yes. Two more. No, one more. Okay, one more.
Um,
Who helps in your homework? Some tools which help in your homework.
like Chat GPT, mm, YouTube,
Yes, very good. So YouTube, Google, Gemini, ChatGPT, these are all AI bots, okay? Some voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, which will
yeah,
help you. Some bots which cleans your room. Have you seen them robots room cleaning?
like those circular things.
Yes. So these are all AI robots.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see one example. Okay. Wait, I'll show you how, let's see how autocorrection, which I told you, happens. Okay. Wait. You can use it. Is my screen visible to you?
Um, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Use this. Wait, show you something. So this is Gmail, okay? So in Gmail, what we do is we send messages to people, okay? To various people. It's taking a little bit time. So here we type in some message, okay? So how AI helps us is, suppose I want to send some message to a person, it will auto see. I have written S, and there are a lot of recommendations of the people whose name start with S, or the people whose surname has S in it. So suppose I have chosen any one person, and then I have written something like role of AI in daily life. I wrote the subject, okay. So
Mhm.
if you see, I have not even written anything. So it is showing me sir. So how does AI know that, yeah, this person is a male, this person is female? So this is through AI. Okay. So see, the first message, it is already arrived. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. I'll use sir in it. Then suppose I am written kindly check the document. Okay. One second. Okay, the internet is slow. Generally, what happens is here we get recommendations. Okay, friends of, generally here we see. So no, wait, I'm showing in Google. What happens is generally we see auto corrections are there. Okay, like here. See, I was about to type something like Google. Okay, so see, it's telling Google Maps, Google Meet, Google Bird, Google Translate. So all are Google. Just I have written GOGLE, okay, Google. So it is giving me lots of recommendations. Okay, Google Maps, Google Meet, Google Collab, Google Gemini. So these are some of the examples of recommendation you use. Like suppose I have written a spelling, like auto correction. Wait. Hmm. See, I'm written. Okay, my spelling is mistake. Okay, but then also when I'll search it, okay, see, I have written a wrong spelling of artificial intelligence. Can you see my screen? See, yeah?
Mhm.
See, I have written a wrong spelling. Okay, my spelling is wrong, but then the AI is able to see. So these are the results for artificial intelligence. It auto corrects the spelling. It says instead search for this, I'm going to search for artificial intelligence. So even if my spelling is wrong, the AI understands that, okay, this person is trying to say artificial intelligence, this one, and it will give us the results. See, so it will tell us, okay, the person exactly wants to know about artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Whether the person wants to watch a video or some articles the person wants to know, or the person, you know, wants some medias, it will have some articles, it wants to watch some, pictures. So everything, or it wants to know about the artificial intelligence, some news in the regular news, or anything like videos, or it wants to know about the shopping, like if the person wants to buy an artificial intelligence book or watch some short videos. Okay, so this Google, or which is a type of AI tool, knows everything. Okay, so even if you have some problem with your academic, like you are not able to get answer in your classroom, like any question, and the teacher is not available, your parents are not there, so you can simply type in Google and then you search. Okay, see, I'll search role of AI in our daily life. Okay, I type in this and then I enter it. Okay, see, there is a lot of, this is the article which is there. This is some recommendation. See, role of artificial intelligence, voice assistants, which I told you. Right? Can you tell me the names of the voice assistants which I told you?
Alexa,
Hmm.
Siri, uh,
Siri,
got the last
Google Assistant. Okay. So see, these are examples of voice assistants. Okay. See. the Siri, Google Home, Alexa. Okay, so it's giving us answers. Okay, then face recognition. So, like in social media, I think your father might have used it in Facebook or in Instagram. So suppose we upload a picture, and suppose your father has uploaded a picture with his friends, then the app is going to tell this person is the name of this person exactly. He'll tell the name of this person, or to mention that person in the story. So how this happens, like AI knows the face of the people also, and then it will tell, okay, this is the face of this person, this is the face of this person. So in that way, AI helps in face recognition. Or suppose you have given a password, face password, okay, and you show you show your cell phone like this, and then the AI, after recognizing your face, unlocks the screen. Okay, these are some of the examples of AI which we use in social media, like which I told you, like in Facebook or Instagram. We talk to people, we get their locations, we do video calls with funny pictures. So these are some of the examples of AI. And in banking, navigation means, can you tell me the example of navigation which I told you?
Mm, I don't really know what it means.
Navigation which your father uses while driving.
Like something he uses to try, like Google Maps.
Yes. Yes, Google Maps. Or sometimes you order some food online, like Swiggy or Zomato, if there's there in Dubai. I don't know exactly. So in India, we have online delivery services like Swiggy, the Google, I mean, Swiggy at the Zomato. So whenever you place, like, I want to eat I want to eat a noodles, or I want to eat ramen. So I just type in there, and then it just, comes to your home. Okay. So these are some of the examples of navigation which we use through AI. Okay. The see, I want to show you some example of this is how Google Maps does. Like, have you seen this interface, father's phone, this kind of things?
Mhm.
See where I am staying currently. So see, I'm staying in Guwahati, right? So it's showing my live location. See, this is the temple, Kamakhya temple. There's a temple in near my home. This is the hospital. Everything is shown. Suppose I want to see like Dubai. Okay, I'll type in Dubai and see. It will take me to Dubai. See, this is Dubai. This is Burj AI Arab. Okay, so I was just wondering like where Burj Khalifa is. See, see, it's going to take me to Burj Khalifa. See, this is all the roads. See, if you zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, you can see. See, this is Burj Khalifa. This is Tower of Persil. Atmosphere Burj Khalifa. See, can you see my screen? See, if you zoom in, you can see all those places near Burj Khalifa. See, if you zoom out, see, you zoom out like this. Okay, then you see this Burj Khalifa is there, and then this is Dubai. So this is UAE. Then you get all the locations. This is India. Okay, this is where exactly in this location I'm staying. Okay, here, and then you were somewhere in this place. Okay, so we are far away. Like, I'm here teaching and you're here. Okay, somewhere here in Dubai. So this is the location. This is how Google Map actually works. So next time you tell your father, no, I know how to use Google Map, I'm going to type in the location. You just have to type in the location here in your cell phone or in your tab, and then you get exactly where you have to go. You get the locations, you get the roads. Okay. Got it? Okay. So see, this is some of the examples where we use Alexa. Wait. You know, wait. See, I'll show you an example of how smart homes helps. Wait. Were you getting the audio?
Can you put it again?
Okay, wait.